Advertisement. Advertisement.
An advertisement is something such as a short film or a written notice that is shown or presented to the public to help sell a product or to make an announcement.
Astronaut. Astronaut.
An astronaut is a person who travels in a spacecraft into outer space.
Ball. Ball.
A ball is a usually round object that is used in a game or sport or as a toy.
Believe. Believe.
Believe means to accept or regard something as true.
Childhood. Childhood.
Childhood is the period of time when a person is a child.
Come true. Come true.
Come true means to materialize, become a reality, or become fulfilled.
Dart gun. Dart gun.
A dart gun is a small toy weapon that throws out small objects with a sharp point at one end.
Die. Die.
To die means to stop living.
Dream. Dream. A dream is something that you have wanted very much to do, be, or have for a long time. Ford's Theater. Ford's Theater.
Ford's Theater is a historic theater in Washington, D.C., used for various stage performances beginning in the 1860s. It is also the site of the shooting of U.S. President Abraham Lincoln on April 14, 1865.
Planet. Planet.
A planet is a large, round object in space, such as the Earth, that travels around a star, such as the Sun.
Really. Really. Really means without question or doubt. It is used to make a statement more definite or forceful. Serious. Serious.
Serious means thoughtful or quiet in appearance or manner.
Shoot. Shoot. To fire a weapon, such as a gun. Slide. Slide.
A slide is a structure with a slippery surface that children slide down.
Star. Star. A star is any one of the objects in space that are made of burning gas and that look like points of light in the night sky. Swing. Swing.
A swing is a seat that hangs from ropes or chains and that moves back and forth.
Teeter-totter. Teeter-totter. A teeter-totter is a long flat board that is balanced in the middle, so that when one end goes up, the other end goes down. Tired, tired.
Tired means feeling a need to rest or sleep.
True, true. True means agreeing with the facts or not false. Working, working.
Working means doing work or in operation.
Using adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. In English, you can use adjectives in two places. One is after a linking verb, like be or seem. Another place is before a noun. Listen to Anna use adjectives in these two places.
I am tired. Today was a busy day at work.
You can also use more than one adjective to describe a noun or pronoun. Listen to Anna talking about how she was as a child.
I was a tall, serious child.
Now you try it. Tell about the dog.
The dog is small. The dog is black. It is a small, black dog.
Adjectives help us talk about how we feel. Make a sentence with two adjectives to tell how you feel today.